Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to use Digit for couples shared savings. Sharing saving goals with a partner is easy and efficient using Digit's shared saving feature. Whether you're planning a vacation, wedding, or saving for a home together, here's how to collaborate on savings in Digit. First, open the Digit app. Launch the Digit app on your mobile device and log into your Digit account. Once you're in, you're going to create a new shared goal. Tap the plus or create goal button and then select shared goal if available. If this option isn't visible, then you want to continue creating a goal and you'll be able to invite your partner afterwards. So now name the goal and set an amount. Choose a name like Italy trip or wedding funds, whatever the goal is for. Go ahead and give that a name. And once that's done, you're gonna need to enter your total saving target, of course. So once that's done, set a deadline. Of course, this is optional. If you have a time frame in mind, you want to add a deadline so that Digit can pace your contributions accordingly. Once that's done, the next step is to invite your partner. So enter your partner's email or phone number to invite them to join the goal. They're going to receive a link to accept the invite and connect their Digit accounts if they have one. To all be, they're going to be prompted to create an account if they don't have one already. Now, both users contribute automatically. Once linked, Digit will calculate and automate savings for both you and your partner based on your individual finances and contributions. You can of course track progress together. You'll both see the goal on your dashboard and can view contributions from each person. Digit updates the progress in real time, showing how close you are to completion. Now, of course, you can adjust or pause anytime. Either users can suggest changes, pause contributions, or withdraw savings depending, of course, on your permission setup. Using Digit for shared savings removes the guesswork and encourages financial teamwork between partners, all while keeping things automated and stress-free. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.